This is a close look at the K2 kayak made by Intex. I want to show you why this inflatable kayak is one of the most popular double kayaks out there. The K2 kayak comes with a double quick 2 pump. It's a high output pump, so it'll inflate when you pull out and push in. It does have the wider hose, so inflating is faster and easier. It also comes with 2 sets of 84-inch aluminum kayak paddles. These are great. They have rubber grip handles, real easy to hold on to. Also, you have a cargo net. This can be strapped to the front or the back of the kayak. It's great. It keeps your luggage or gear strapped to the kayak nice and tightly. If that's not enough to haul all your gear, behind the back seat you can stuff more of your gear actually inside the kayak. Sitting in the front seat of the K2 kayak is very comfortable. I've got a nice tall backrest that actually clips to the kayak, so when I lean back it's not sliding around on me. I've got more than enough leg room. I'm 6 feet tall, and I would say I've got another 6 inches before my feet actually touch the end of the kayak. So overall, I'm very comfortable in the front seat of the K2. I moved on to the back seat of the K2. I'm still very comfortable. I did lose a little bit of my backrest in the back seat. It goes to about my mid-back. As you can see, my feet here, they kind of just go up right along the side of the person in the front seat. Overall, the back seat is pretty comfortable. I would like a higher backrest. Just after having it in the front seat, it is nice. On the bottom of the K2, it also has the tracking fins, so when you're maneuvering the boat on the lake or river, you're going to have a lot more control. I have the K2 stood up so you can see how tall it is. It's 11.5 feet tall. The 2 separate chambers are located in the floor and the hull. They're both capped off with Boston valves, so inflating and deflating is fast and easy. The K2 kayak is constructed with the same material as the Intex excursion boats. It's a thick 30-gauge vinyl, which is the second most durable material that Intex makes. It's also constructed with 2 separate chambers. That way, if one of the chambers deflates on you, the other one's going to get you to the shore safely. Thanks for watching this close look at the K2 kayak made by Intex. As you can see, it's big and it's comfortable. If you're looking for an inexpensive double kayak, get the inflatable K2 today.